Thukuru-inĩ wa arutwo arĩa marĩ wathe wa kuona wa Thika nĩguo arutwo a mathukuru matiganĩte magomanĩte kĩgomano-inĩ kĩa arutwo arĩa mathomaga mathomo ma science, haha makĩonania ũhoti wao wa mathomo maya.
Tumeweza kuwa katika mashindano ambayo yametuweka sisi kama wanafunzi wasiona tujikubali kwamba tunaweza, kando na vile watu wanavyotufikiria kuwa hatuwezi. Tumeweza kuona different projects from different schools ambazo zinaweza kusaidia watu ambao hawaoni na pia watu ambao wako na ulemavu wa design nyingine.
As we encourage uptake of STEM learning in schools, in high schools in Kenya, for those with visual impairment, you know that there's a lot of barriers, and actually for many years these children have been discouraged from taking up STEM because they don't have the assistive technology.
Kĩgomano gĩkĩ gĩtabanĩtio nĩ gĩkundi gĩa Kilimanjaro Blind Trust Africa. Atabania makiuga arutwo na arutani nĩ makoretwo na ihinda iritũ makĩhũthĩra macini cia tene cia gũthomithia arutwo arĩa matonaga, rĩu magĩtugwo na macini cia kĩrĩu.
That is what we specialize in, KBTA for short, that's what we call ourselves. We specialize in providing access to digital skills for learners from a very early age in primary school to higher education. We provide them with a device, a small braille computer which is called an Orbit Reader 20.
Mũrutani Lynette Okoth akiuga arutwo aya ona marĩ na wathe wa kuona nĩ mareka wega mathomo-inĩ ma science, akiongerera atĩ macini ici nĩ cihũthĩtie wĩra wao.
The myth that used to be that learners with disability cannot do sciences, it is being overtaken by then because of the assistive technology that KBTA has organized and has helped us to come up with supportive devices that help learners with visual impairment to perform well in the academics.
Ino nĩ ceceni ya Inooro TV Thika, na niĩ njĩtagwo Moses Ngige.